right, yeah, you could shoot stuff.
Okay, we've been hard at work developing the industry-leading testing ice balls for solar panels.
That's right.
We've got hail, we've got a slingshot. This is our Hyundai 585 with the thicker glass. One hailstorm coming up. Oh, you're holding it top and bottom.
Whoa, that didn't work. Damn it.
I can't coach you. You literally replaced me because I sucked so bad.
All right, well, I've missed more than you have, so I'm obviously sucking. I don't know what the secret is.